In today's video, I'll show you how you can add motion blur in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So first is that we have our sample footage right here. So I'm going to add some motion blur into this one. So first is that we would need to go into the effects tab, which is right here on the left side or wherever you have put it in your workspace. If you can find it, then you want to make sure that you have your effects checked right here under window because it might not be enabled in your workspace. Once you're here in the effects, you just simply want to search for transform. And then in here is that you would want to go and drag this into your clip. And then you should have it here under effect controls. In here is that you would want to go for the scaling right here. So we would want to go keyframe this at the beginning of the clip or where you'd want the motion blur to start. Let's say at the beginning. And then next is that I'm going to move some keyframes forward, or I think I'm just going to go for 10 frames forward. So that would be by holding the shift button and then a right arrow key. So that would be 5 and then another one to be 10. And now I'm going to go and make this quite zoomed in. Let's say 130 or 150, I think, right there. And now that once you have that, is that you want to go into the use composition shutter angle next. You want to uncheck this one and then go into shutter angle. You want to set this into 360. And now when you play this, you will now have that motion blur. Now, if you would want this to be more exaggerated or more noticeable, then what I suggest is that you exaggerate the zoom in also. Like for example, here in this keyframe, as you can see, is that I'm going to go and set it into a higher value. And I'm going to go and set them farther apart so that the zoom will be much longer. Right there. And then next is that I'm going to go and highlight these keyframes and right click on them and go for ease out to smoothen the zoom. It will not be so abrupt. If you want it, then you could also customize the graph by clicking here on the expand, and then you'd be able to see the graph of the speed right here. You can customize that if you'd want. And now when we play it is that we will now be able to have that smooth motion blur, and I'm just gonna go and move this a couple of frames so that it will not begin right away. And now here's the result. So yeah, that's it on how you'd be able to add this nice subtle motion blur on Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.